Find another way to install them wigs, or don't do it.
Alright, so I have a wig that my client brought to me, and it's got these heavy layers in it. I'm gonna cut this wig, and I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks after. Alright, so this is the hair straightened, and as you can see, it's kind of got like a shelf right there at the bottom. So I'm not gonna just completely chop it all the way up, but I am going to get rid of the tails at the end. And my plan is for like a voluminous, like layered look, just like it was, but without the tail at the end. So all right, I'll come back with the results. Okay, so here we are. This is the haircut. As you can see, I took that tail away. I lightened the layers at the front. I kind of just gave it a nice shave and took a little bit of the way out. And this is it. So this is the way that I styled it. And of course, it's not like combed out or anything. But this is the length, and this is the way like it'll be now. And whenever I style it, maybe I'll post an update. But yeah, this is the finished look. What do you think?